Hello team, welcome to the DevOps training. Today we will discuss about continuous testing. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the continuous development, right? Continuous testing is the second phase of DevOps product lifecycle. As we have already categorized the phases into the DevOps phases, right? Continuous testing covers two phases of the product development lifecycle. The first is product build and second is product test, right? So when developer have completed their code, they check in their code to the repository. Either they will check in their code to some specific branch or they will check in their code to the integration or master branch. From that particular branch, we will build our application, and after the successful build, we will execute some kind of verification and validation test to qualify that particular build. So this is called the continuous testing. Let's discuss it in details. So basically, let's take an example. You are working on a product and there are close to 40 to 50 developer in your team. They have decided some kind of work in the starting of sprint, right? Every day they are doing some kind of development work and they are checking in their code to the central repository, right? Now, the policy of the product build depends on the organization or on your management. Either they can build your application every day or they can build your application after every particular time duration, like after 6 hours, after 8 hours, or in a day. So suppose we are taking an example, you are building your product in once in a day. So in the daytime, in the working hours, developer done their job, they check in their code. After their code check in, you are building your product, right? Once the product build will be ready, you are executing, or your Jenkins server, the continuous integration server, is executing some kind of verification and validation test on that particular build. They tests are fully automated, either with the help of the Selenium for the UI or with the help of the REST assured for the backend testing, and they are qualifying their build, right? They are qualifying your product application build. If the test pass, then you are saying our build has no defect, right? If your tests are basically failing, then you can say the latest code is breaking the previously existing code at that particular point of time. So you can easily find out the bugs, right? What is the benefit of this particular approach? So today you have done some kind of work, but that work is basically breaking the previous code, right? Your new code is breaking the existing code. With the help of the continuous testing, we can verify that particular gap. If we are not following the continuous testing model, then today your build is green. It doesn't mean that your build is qualified from the QA, right? Because your today work is done, you have implemented the complete feature in the current sprint, but you have already breaked something which was done earlier. With the help of the continuous testing, we can fill out this particular gap and we will immediately know the developer that particular code which you done in that particular time frame is breaking that particular code which is done previously. So developer can proactively work on it and fix it. So this is the benefit of the continuous testing, and this particular process is called continuous testing. In the coming lecture, we will discuss about the continuous integration. That's all for the day. Thank you guys. Thanks for your time.